Talofa everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's taken a while to get this next video up, but here it is, a quick video of our Friday in Samoa. We got to spend a lot of time with family, but unfortunately I lost a lot of the video when I had to get a new phone after our trip. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. We're so grateful to all of you, and we just love getting so many comments from you. Thanks for coming along with us, and hope you like this video. Day 3 in Samoa. Got some more stuff for the family. Been enjoying our stay at the Talofa. It's very beautiful. And it seems like it's gonna be hot today. Like every day. Every day. But it's really nice grounds and gardens. Nice room. Nice pool, extra cold pool. Maybe we'll go try to swim later today because I didn't get to swim yet. And very nice staff. Nice breakfast. It's a buffet breakfast. So if you see these small bananas, they are very sweet and very good.
It's called misiluki.
Called misiluki. Misiluki.
Fa'i misiluki.
Fa'i misiluki. So regular banana is fa'i, right?
Well, they have names for them. So that's misiluki. And then we have the fa'i paka.
What's fa'i paka?
The bigger one.
The big one? Like a regular banana?
Yeah.
What's a green banana?
Fa'i maka. It can be green banana fa'i paka or green banana fa'i misiluki.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So it's still gonna be the misiluki, but you can eat it
Before it dried.
ripe or green. Then
Boil it.
yeah,
With
when it's
coconut?
green, you have to boil it. So it's either they boil it and then you can add coconut milk in it, a little bit of onion. A lot of people put onion,
Salt.
salt. Yeah,
Okay.
but if it's ripe, then it's good to eat.
And they come in big bunches.
Yeah.
This one was at breakfast, and I took it for a snack.
Yep.
Okay. Lesson on fa'i. What's that? Is that the mamoi? Mamoi.
Em màu lá cây cái đỉnh. Em màu lá xiết. Màu mấy lại các cụ con. Còn này. Phải mẹ ấy à. Thằng này cầm.
Yeah?
Get ready.
Okay. And you put that stuff inside, babe?
Yeah.
For mom? Hello. Good morning.
Go Vaiala.
Oh yeah?
Actually.
Shit. Also makua. Oh yeah? Oh, vai ver lá. Refai.
Sa was ka mga po. Umakomoy. Kaya mas tawa mo kung ako ay. Kailan kita kaya ka eh. Kaya ba ay lo may. Ano eh. Ano? Tawa mo ka. Oh, so tama lang. Ayo, le vas a oye ya la mu. Ya, o sa lo ko.
We're on our way to visit Mose's uncle Kelengi, that's Mom's brother, and Auntie Vasily. They live just up the road from Mom's in Vaiala. Samoa Ports Authority. See some containers.
They usually have the boat here that goes to American Samoa.
Oh, yeah.
In Salamasina.
Mm. Yeah.
Used to swim.
Mm-hmm.
I think it has.
Yeah.
Church.
Yeah.
See, there's a bell back here. I used to, when I was here, I used to like hang this.
Inside the, like by the church. Ooh, look at that pink wood. So pretty.
Like tôi muốn năng này. Yeah. Mali ska mota. I think that's
We had a lovely visit with Auntie Vasily and Uncle Kelengi. Auntie brought us some refreshments and we got to catch up with them on family and life, and Mose and Uncle caught up on the rugby news. After our visit, we went back to Mom's to take the kids for some shopping.
1, 2, 3.
It's got a pretty delicious what is it? Vaiti molo? Vaiti polo.
Samoan lemonade.
Lemonade. It's pretty good.
It's really good. It's similar. It's like what we had at the
Yeah.
when we first got to Tusitala.
hotel.
So good. It's sweet but not too sweet, and lemon but not too strong, and some mutton manapua that Uncle Kelengi and his wife got for us. It's so nice.
Yeah, she's so nice. And she's so nice.
And then we just headed back to the house to pick up those guys to do some shopping.
Yeah.
Uncle, look.
That put me
Yeah, baby. Look, let's get everybody's. Yeah, by the pony.
Aka.
Manaya. Manaya. Nice smile.
Look, the phone.
After getting all the kids ready, we went out shopping for clothes and toys. Unfortunately, that's the footage that was lost, but we had a great time. Thanks for watching this quick video. The next one will be a long one, a busy Saturday with family, checking into the Talmeasina and Fia Fia night. See you in the next video.